Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the A6000 and preparing your phone. This is the fastest route to a working NFC link. Once the camera is on, open Menu, go to Network Settings and enable NFC so the A6000 broadcasts. On your phone, install and open Sony's Imaging Edge mobile app. You'll use it to accept the pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is off if prompted to use NFC exclusively, because NFC triggers immediate pairing and simplifies transfer handshakes. Once done enabling NFC, hold your phone over the A6000's NFC mark near the grip, and you should feel a quick vibration or see the on-screen prompt. That tap initiates the connection. You'll be asked to confirm a pairing code and grant permissions for images and location. Accept these to allow transfers. If the tap doesn't connect, switch to Wi-Fi direct mode in the camera menu and follow the app's on-screen network selection. That provides the same remote control and transfer features. You can now use Remote Live View to compose, zoom, and trigger the shutter from your phone. This reduces camera shake and lets you review images immediately. For transfers, use Send to Smartphone in playback or enable auto transfer for selected images so they move to your phone automatically. If connection fails, restart both devices, toggle NFC off/on, clear the app cache, and try the NFC tap again. Those steps resolve most handshake or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.